Are you struggling to understand how to increase your presence, attract your customer, and grow your business? Are you confused about all the advice you get about social media and email and content creation? Plus, as busy professionals, who has time to do all these things when you're a new business owner? Well, if that sounds like you're in the right place, and I'm here to help you on your journey. Hey there, I'm Barbara Gobbi, and I help women entrepreneurs launch and grow their brand with social media and online marketing. I have helped hundreds of business owners launch and grow their brand and reach their goals. And I've also helped hundreds of entrepreneurs go from frustration and overwhelm to confidently and competently launch their own business and master their own marketing. On this channel, I share all my favorite tools, tips, and resources so that you can really understand and master your marketing. And because we're all busy professionals, I share some of my favorite productivity secrets too. I have a free toolkit for you to help you create a strategy for your business, and you can grab it in the link below and download it for free. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content about how to grow your business, hit the subscribe button. You'll get notified every time I drop another video. I can't wait to see you crush your goals.